boy, come on. There you go. Chasing a squirrel never fails. Come on. Hey. Never fails. Come on. Hey. Let's go. Come on. Inside. Let's go. What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope all of you guys are having an amazing week, right? It is Sunday. Tomorrow's a Monday. No, right? But on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about auto fiber, the new the reacher tool, right? This is a glass cleaning tool that I've kind of seen for the past a while, but I've never pulled the trigger on it, right? And recently I was gonna buy the new one, and somebody was like, hey, just wait, because they're about to come out with a new version. So I ended up just holding off, and then the new one finally came out, and we have it. I paid $29.95 plus tax on this tool. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's in it, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest feedback on what do I honestly think about this product. With this package here, when you purchase it from Auto Fiber, you get two options. I forgot the options, but I got this one here, which is the tool itself, which we have it right here, and I got it with another one called the Smooth Kit. So it is this smooth side on this towel, plus this twisted loop on this side here, and you of course can flip it, guys. You can flip your towel around, so you're always working clean. So theoretically you have four sides to pretty much use this multiple ways, right? So out of the box you get the tool itself, which it also comes with this extra with this grip here, which this is what's going to give you that extra 15 inches, right? Because 15 inches sometimes does make a difference when you're out in the field. So it's really nice to have this tool right here. If you don't want to use it, then of course you can just use this side here. Right here it's a rubbery side, so it just feels good on your hand. It has this hole here for those who have shops or you have clips in your mobile setup. You can literally just clamp it here. For the backing plate, you have a nice foam interface here. This is good and it's bad as well. For me, I think it's good because obviously you have padding. It's bad because I think eventually this will deteriorate, and I don't think you can put another one on there. Secondly, for those who like to soak their towels, this will eventually get wet as well. But I think as you don't use it a lot, maybe at times, this should dry out. So this is pretty much what it comes with, and it comes with 3 sets of towels. So theoretically, you have 6 sets of towels, right? So $29.95 for the price plus tax so far. I'm enjoying the presentation on it. We're gonna take this tool inside my Corolla, and we're gonna test it out and see how well this does. So one thing I think for me I have to get adjusted is just like using it, right? But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray our glass right here. I like to spray my glass, guys. I'm sorry. I know some of you guys like to spray it on your towel. For me, it's hot out here. Spraying on my towel ain't gonna do much. And I'll usually do like a couple sprays on my towel, right? So let's see how this tool performs. And right off the bat, I do like that it gets all the way to the edge of the bottom of that glass. Whoop. And then you can just go side to side to finish cleaning this glass nicely, right? And then what I like to do is I'll go ahead and flip it over to the twisted loop side, just to give this glass that nice buff off. And I will say, I do like this method because one, you're not straining your body too much, as to if you're just using like your towel alone. Some of you guys don't like that because y'all feel all uncomfortable. So this tool so far, definitely I'm enjoying. I'm actually liking it after just using it on the front windshield. I was able to get all the way to the edge of that glass, whereas areas sometimes where we kind of miss is that bottom edge because our hands don't reach or our fingers are too thick or something. So not bad. And now we are transitioning to the back, guys. I hope you guys can kind of see this back glass. One of the areas that I struggle as a detailer, and I'm gonna be very honest, is the back glass, especially some that are just hard to reach. You know, it's just hard. This is truly where I wanted to see this tool, see how well it performs, is in the back. Especially this is a Corolla, so we have a lot of like area to cover down to the edge. So we're gonna go ahead and see how well this performs in this scenario. So this is, for me, this is gonna be like the selling point of this tool. Like, is this good? And I will say, I actually like it. I love it. I can actually reach all the way to the edge of this glass, and then we're just gonna flip it over and then just buff it off. And there's no right or wrong way on how you use this towel. You can do up and down. Obviously, I think I forced it too much on that edge and it came off. So make sure you don't apply too much pressure because it will get stuck. But up and down, you can do side to side, whatever works for you, to be honest. Man, this towel's actually pretty good. All right, you guys, so another way that I have found to use this product is without the tool. I do like that it comes with 3 sets of towels. Again, you're getting 6 towels in total, in my opinion, because you're flipping them over, right? But another way you can use this product is by just using the towels alone, right? What I've noticed so far is I like using this blue side first. And then all you do is you can use it as your, like a regular glass cleaning towel without the tool if you don't want, right? Flip it over and then use your twisted loop. Or if you're the type of detailer who likes to use twisted loop first, then guess what? You can use your twisted loop first, right? Use your twisted loop, flip it over to your smooth side, and there you go. That is another way on how you can also use the auto fiber smooth kit. To conclude this video, guys, for $29.95 plus tax, my final thoughts on this product. When I first saw this product, I honestly thought it was gonna be a gimmick. I believe another comparable item to this would be Stoner Car Care. I believe has one. As far as quality, for sure, auto fiber wins it, right? The quality is there. It feels solid when you're using this. I honestly thought maybe for a minute like this was gonna be very flimsy, but you know, it doesn't like flap around. So I do like that. It's very flexible as well, but it's not flimsy. It feels good, as like it has like these different like levels, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna like be too loose, if that makes sense. But after using it, guys, again, this is just my first time using this product on my Corolla. I really enjoyed it for one reason, and that is because I'm able to get all the way to the edge of that windshield, right? You're truly cleaning your windshield, right? You're not leaving those bottom edges where your hand doesn't reach, right? Usually there's that little film, that little wave where you can tell where you clean and you did it, right? And on our back glass, this is gonna be a lifesaver. One, I'm also short, so whenever you're cleaning like your SUVs, you know, I'm short, so at times I have to bring down the tailgate down to clean that windshield, and then like my whole body is like doing this, then you're hurting your back. With this, I can now feel comfortable that I can just spray the glass of the SUV and then just go up here and then just like and reach it without having to strain my body. So I definitely felt my body wise like not feel too stressed when I'm reaching and all of that, right? This did really well. As far as the towels that you select, this is the smooth kit again. So it comes with this blue side, and then I think this is twisted loop, I don't know. But I really enjoyed the material, how well it performed as well. These I'm definitely gonna take care of because they're premium, right? As well, the brand Auto Fiber is one of the top brands, if not the best brand out there when it comes to microfibers, applicator kits. Really, they're an amazing brand, and there's not much we can say negative about the brand other than Auto Fiber is the brand, right? You do get 3 sets of glass towels with your kit, but in reality you're truly getting 4. Wait, I said 2, 4, 6. Yeah, so you're getting so that's 4 sides. So damn, did I say 2, 4, 6? In reality it's 4 and 4 and 4. So yeah, the value is there. Dang, I said this incorrectly. I said 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 4 towels. Yeah, so you're getting value. You're getting 4 towels in one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you're getting value. Sorry guys, I'm over here out thinking outside. But again, the towels were amazing. I gotta say, I really enjoyed these. I love the tool. The price, at first the price I was like, dang, 30 bucks for that tool. But now that I use it, yeah, those 30 bucks are gonna save me a backache. Those 30 bucks are gonna save me time, and I'm actually gonna be reaching all the way to the edge of all my customers' glass. So for that reason, I think this is the perfect item. So go out there. I'll post a link to this one from Auto Fiber. I don't have a discount code for this. Again, sorry guys, I don't use these brands a lot to where the brands will say, hey, here's a discount code for your viewers. I don't use these brands a lot, but I definitely wanted to purchase this for me to play with and test out. And I gotta say, this one definitely is gonna help me so much. One, because I'm so short. So this is gonna help me. These 15 inches here, look, those 15 inches make a difference in your life. 15 inches can drastically change your life, and I know this is gonna change my life to clean windows. So as always, God bless you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, God bless you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.